From MTN News, this is Montana This Morning.
Women's hockey in Montana is one of the fastest growing sports in Montana, and I think it's great that it's growing so much and getting so much attention, and it's only going to get bigger.
We talked about it earlier. The flu season seems to be winding down. We'll take a closer look at national numbers coming up at 6:38.
All right, it is now 6:35 on this Friday.
Friday.
We made it. People, look at that beautiful sunrise.
lovely.
You know, that is one of the things that I love about getting closer to the summer months.
I love it too.
You can see that sunrise early in the morning. Just lovely.
Yeah, we get to see it. That's one of the beauties. We get to see it every day.
Every day.
Yes, we do.
Yep.
Not that we always
Near the
do.
end of our day,
Yeah,
actually.
yeah, right. Temperatures into the teens and 20s. We have had a little skiff of snow in parts of the area early this morning. We still have the potential of some flurries. Nothing real heavy. Big Sky may see, 2 inches of snow by the end of the day. Not bad. Still some higher avalanche danger. Moderate is what it's rated right now. Several slides have been reported. I'm going to back that up one. Maybe if the camera works.
There it was.
It backs up too. Temperatures into the 20s for the afternoon. I didn't put any snowflakes on there, but the possibility of some flurries will linger through the day. I'm going to talk about our chances of snow for the weekend and beyond. That's all coming up in just a few minutes.
All right, thank you very much, Matt. 6:36 now. The Butte Community Ice Center is the site of a hockey tournament featuring 11 all young women teams.
Yeah, MTN's John Amy tells us it's showcasing a growing trend of more girls getting into the sport of ice hockey.
Young women do more than just figure skate on the ice. They're playing the fast, hard-charging sport of ice hockey, and it's a growing sport here in Montana.
Women's hockey in Montana is one of the fastest growing sports in Montana. We used to have girls that played on the boys' teams because there was nowhere to play.
There are now 11 all-girl teams playing in the Montana Amateur Hockey Association's State Girls Championship Tournament in Butte. It's only been a few years since Montana had all-girl hockey programs. Like many of the girls, 14-year-old Chloe Jewell got into hockey because her brother was a hockey player.
I kind of just started skating with him during like open skate, and I just ended up playing, mainly because I wanted to be better than him. But
the girls enjoy competing with other players from around the state. Butte goalie Sammy Bogart is ready to go all out in the tournament to help her team win.
So actually I did break my tailbone, so I don't butterfly a lot right now, but I will in this game because it's a really important game.
Though hockey's a tough sport, the girls say they're not afraid to grind it out on the ice.
Playing 19U, I almost wish there was hitting, a little bit of body contact, but yeah, it's really fun. No, I actually got a penalty for that a couple weeks ago.
Great Falls only recently fielded enough girls to get their own team, and their coach said this sport is good for developing strong young women.
It's all about, getting knocked down, get back up, gritting through some tough battles. You definitely learn some emotional intelligence through the game, getting hit, getting losses, poor plays, whatever. It'll impact them for the rest of their lives, what they're going to experience as a female hockey player for sure.
The tournament began Thursday and will continue until Sunday. There will be an exhibition game on Saturday between the MSU women's hockey team and the Air Force Academy women's hockey team at 2 p.m. In Butte, John Amy, MTN News.
Well, there's no such thing as an easy sport by any stretch of the imagination, but ice hockey, that is a tough
sport. Great stuff there, though.
Really neat, neat. Looking forward to watching the MSU team. All right. Well, the number of flu cases we're seeing is low across the country, with some exceptions of New Mexico, Washington, D.C., and New York City, where those flu cases remain high.
Now, experts say normally at this time of year, we would be seeing a peak in flu cases. But as Maya Rodriguez tells us, a new study shows that an important step taken this year with vaccines could actually be making a difference.
Vaccine fatigue. It's a phrase we've heard since the pandemic began, but a new study is shedding light on what effect simultaneous vaccines for both the flu and COVID are having this year and could have in the years to come. Millions of Americans chose to get a COVID vaccine and flu vaccination in the fall, and months later, that choice appears to be impacting flu cases now.
We're still going to face this challenge very likely in the next year or in the next few years. So this is absolutely a way we should do to protect the public.
Dr. Xie Xie is an assistant professor of public health at the University of North Florida in Jacksonville. He co-authored a new study which finds dual vaccinations for COVID and flu reduces infections and hospitalizations, which at the same time can help lessen the financial impact of those illnesses.
This is going to really help us to reduce the cost from the individual perspective, also from the society perspective. So we want to send a very clear message to the public. We want everyone to understand it's very safe and efficient to take the flu vaccine and the COVID vaccine together, so you can protect you and protect your family, protect the community.
What we've seen is that it really tailed off, and right now we're really back to our baseline level of flu in most states in the U.S.
Dr. Stephen Thacker is seeing the effect of those vaccinations firsthand at the Medical University of South Carolina Children's Hospital in Charleston.
So many folks were making the right choice, to protect themselves and their community by getting their COVID vaccine or their COVID booster, that it created an opportunity to have the conversation around flu vaccinations. And it may be a big part of why we're kind of on par, if not a little bit better, with adults.
But there may be another reason, too.
There's some interesting data there that, gosh, it's real clear that, at least in the U.S., we've become much more comfortable with getting our vaccinations in pharmacies. So it's just better access points, because we certainly have far more access to pharmacies throughout the U.S., especially when we think about rural communities.
However, not everyone is doing well when it comes to the flu.
There's areas where we really are falling behind compared to our last flu season, specifically pregnant women and in children.
The CDC announced in February that, for the first time since the pandemic, pediatric flu deaths surpassed more than 100 in the country. Experts caution it's important for everyone, no matter their age, to not let their guard down.
Flu season's not over. We know that it can extend into April or May, and one of the questions and worries is, will we have another surge of influenza late in our flu season?
A question that will be answered in the coming months. Maya Rodriguez, Scripps News, Charleston, South Carolina.